The problem of practice our cohort addressed was creating an environment where students became more independent and self-reliant learners. The first step in making this happen is to create a classroom environment of trust where the students feel safe to explore different problem-solving techniques, make mistakes, and really get into the mathematics without worrying about the answers. We did this in quite a few different ways. One way was introducing the students to the levels of cognitive demand, giving them tasks around exploring different types of problems with different levels of cognitive demand. We also introduced number talks, and we used a lot of the resources provided by Jo Boaler and her team at Stanford, including a week of inspirational math and her free online mathematical mindset class. Now that the students feel safe in the classroom and we've created a classroom environment of trust, it's important to provide them with meaningful tasks for them to be able to work on their perseverance, try different methods of solving problems. And in order to measure that, we developed a rubric that really focused on their process rather than their answers. Next, in order to attempt to measure the effects of what we were doing in the classroom, we collected data from students. And we did that through a grit survey and a math perception survey that we administered at the beginning and at the end of each term. Measuring the effects of our interventions, we found to be one of the most challenging aspects of our research. But with the help of our institutional researchers, we've been able to modify this process, and we hope to continue to improve it. We are encouraged and motivated as instructors to continue to improve our classroom environment, our tasks, and our data collection in order to help our students become more persistent and self-reliant learners.